Hey guys, we are back at the 5-bed HMO that we're converting into a family rental. So I think this is week 6 now of actual works. There's been like 2 weeks delay when no works was done while we're waiting for things. Let me turn the camera around. So this is the entrance hall. Things are being cleared out a lot more this time. Front reception room, a lot of the painting's been done. Radiators in. So, yeah, we've stripped the wall down, found a lintel along here. So that's where the previous occupant or previous owners had opened up this space, and then they filled it back up again. So lintel is actually already, the support beam is already in there. Yeah, so we'll replaster it, redecorate it. This is. Support beam's going in and the plaster work is starting. Reception room. Okay, this wall's been stripped back. Some bonding there. Support beam. And then this will be replastered as well and redecorated. And then this room can be cleared out. And then the decorating can be completed. But most of the work this week has actually been for the kitchen. So the kitchen's been completely cleared out now. That's all gone. All the rubbish was put at the front for Carl to take away. And we're just waiting on the delivery of the new kitchen units. I'm hoping that we can keep these tiles. I think they should be okay. But you can never really tell to the end. Worst case, we'll put lino on it at the end. And then the bathroom, again, we're going to change these lino to a herringbone design and then touch everything up at the end. But this kitchen is actually surprisingly large. Now all the old units have been taken away. So we've removed a lot of the old fire alarm systems, sockets and stuff like that, which weren't used. Bathroom, we'll lay new flooring near the end. And first bedroom. These bedrooms are pretty much done now. It's just a matter of getting everything else completed, all the heavy work, all the dirty work done, and then go around to do some touch-ups, put the flooring down, and that's it, we're ready to go. For example, the painting in this room and the final bedroom, it's pretty much done. The room is ready. Obviously that's going to be covered up and that's it really. Yeah, so this room's ready, all cleared as well. If you don't know me already, my name's Tuna Green. We like to manage high quality HMOs and singlets in and around Birmingham. I think we've got about 3 weeks left on this one. If you like this sort of stuff, don't forget to like and follow for more. All right, see you.